For years, Hartford Technologies has stood as one of the leading manufacturers for custom components. From precision pins and rollers to custom balls and bearings, Hartford Technologies strives to provide customers with quality solutions. As we continue to meet customer expectations, our facilities have expanded to include CNC Swiss machine options. CNC Swiss Machine services for custom parts allows customers to place small and large quantity orders at a faster turnaround time. Housing over 15 different CNC Swiss Screw Machines, we are able to produce components like the one shown here, the shunt trip plunger. This part is crafted out of stainless steel and produced on our 26mm Tsugami, but we can work with almost any type of metal or plastic material. Our CNC machines can hold tolerances down to 10,000ths of an inch. We can work with part diameters as small as 1mm up to a maximum of approximately 32mm. ISO 9001-2015 certified, we provide customers with a promise of high grade and efficient manufacturing for their custom orders. With our enhanced machining capabilities, we are able to ensure customers that we have the capacity to produce and supply components with maximum efficiency.